Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any PDF into a template in WeBrand. With our powerful PDF editor, you can import almost any PDF and convert it into a live, editable template, creating a single source of truth for your brand's content. With the full PDF editor, there is no need for expensive third-party tools. WeBrand puts complete control in your hands, so you can collaborate and update files all in one place. To import a template, simply click the Add Template button at the top right of any collection. This takes you to the Import module, where you will find detailed step-by-step instructions for importing your PDF. Once you are in the editor, edit your file to make it live and interactive, with support for accurate font matching from your workspace or replacement options if needed. You can also specify measurement units, pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters to match your brand's design standards. Here you can replace images, update backgrounds, edit texts, customize fonts and styles, manage template permissions for your team, and much more. Admins can also manage permissions to decide exactly what users can or cannot change, ensuring your content stays compliant and your brand remains consistent within one workspace. You can make every part of your PDF, text, images, backgrounds, logos, colors, styles, QR codes, and design elements, fully editable. Just save your changes, and you now have a live, fully editable PDF template in WeBrand. With just a few clicks, your brand's materials become centralized, editable, and always up to date.